Hello and welcome to another update video about Link. Link is currently moving in a very ugly pattern from the 5th of August low. As you can see, it's only a 3-wave move up, so it remains my view that we don't have a confirmation that a substantial low has formed. We're still printing lower lows and lower highs, and the last rally, unfortunately, did not form an impulse, and it could still work out as a diagonal, but these are always, to a degree, hopium wave counts or structures, because what we really need to get a good understanding that a substantial low has formed is a five wave pattern to the upside, and with a diagonal pattern that has been delayed a little bit. So it would have been nice, to just do this like 1, 2, a little higher in wave 3, 4, 5. But instead it gives us this deep pullback here, and that is not impulsive. Not impulsive, what does that mean? Well, it could easily mean that the substantial correction is still unfolding. This is still possible. So we could still be dealing with a WXY XZ structure. It would now be a more complex correction. Okay, so basically a large corrective pattern, WXY XZ. I've put that onto the chart today just as let's say a wave count, a roadmap to show you how the market could form one more low. I did that because obviously it's not impulsive anymore to the upside. I already had it here on the chart, I think with a question mark, but it is possible that the X wave has topped now. That's possible, okay, and it would be further confirmed with a break below the last swing low at around $9.93, roughly. It's this swing low from the 16th of August. So this is sort of previous swing low. Now this is the key swing low for circle wave 2. And any break below it would invalidate a possible diagonal pattern as it's shown here. Yeah, there are always other ways, and you could still have a large one too as a diagonal, but these are typically hopium wave counts until we see some evidence for them. It just means that the risk for this Z wave to the downside has increased. And the $6.9, well, it was always there because we don't have a 5-wave move up. Really, only with a 5-wave move up, we can really confirm that a substantial low has formed, and we can expect further upside. Now that the market has failed to follow the ideal roadmap to the upside so early here in the process, not a good sign, Not a good sign, but it is possible that Bitcoin just forms one more low and then gives us a reversal as per my last Bitcoin update. So we don't want to give up here on the white wave count, but it's clear that the correction is still unfolding. So it looks still a little bit incomplete, even if this is just a B wave of wave 3. I just gave you the invalidation point. I can also give you a micro support area. Please be aware, these are very weak support levels. If it's for a B waves like to break support. B waves don't respect Fibonacci levels so well. But if it is a B wave in wave 3, the price ideally would hold $10.45. Below that level, invalidation will become more likely. Bottom line is it's only a 3-wave move up. We could also try to add a trend line here, which also gives us 3 touch points. That means a break above this trend line could be interesting when there is a reversal, but so far no clear reversal signal yet. That looked a bit different yesterday when the price was still pushing, but this is not impulsive anymore. And this is exactly why I said we need to see those 5 waves. Because without the 5 waves, the market is very fragile still, and the charts are telling us that, meaning we need to be more on the side of caution, more careful. So that's the update about Link. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.